So I was sat having my coffee this morning and I was just watching the Pigeon. So this is Ronald. We've known this one Ronald. He and another little friend came along and they were just in the tree here, as you can see. Now, we wound some old lights, old Christmas lights around this tree, and it gives a lovely red glow like berries in the evening. The only problem is we're going to have to take them off now, I think, because the pigeons keep thinking they're berries, and I'm a bit worried if they were to pull one off. I mean, I don't know that they would. I don't think they're that stupid at all. But if they were to get one in their beak and to really yank it off, look at his little tail feathers go up there. Because he's eating actually from the bird feeder there. But they have been trying to peck off the little red bees. But I'm thinking it might choke them or something. So they are going to have to come down, I think. Aren't they just adorable though? I know not everyone loves pigeons, but I just think they're really cute. And we've got lots of new babies in the garden now as well. Oh dear. So I've had my latest Avon order delivered today, and I have some bits in here for some customers, a couple of customers, and some bits that I've ordered for birthday presents for people to go with other things. They were in the sale, so I'll show you what I've got. So these slippers are £4 in the sale at the moment. They're really lovely, fluffy scissor, fluffy slippers, and they're like the toe post ones, so great for like a summer gift. So I've got a couple of birthdays coming up sort of soon, or in the summer as well, and I've bought other things from Avon that I'm going to put these with to make up the present. So I've got two pairs, both different sizes. I think I've got a medium and a large, so that looks a bit like the medium to me, is it? Let's have a look. Yeah, that's the medium. And yeah, and this is the large. As I say, these were down to £4, so I thought great to pop away, you know, to put with something else as a present. This actually, I did buy this one for me. It was £3, and it's the Mark setting spray. I don't actually have any setting spray at all, so I thought I'd grab that one when it was on a good price. This one's for me actually as well. It's the Clean and Correct nail polish remover, because I don't have any nail polish remover. That's all completely gone, so I did order that one. This is for somebody else. They've ordered it, but I actually have this myself, and it's amazing. It's a huge bottle of bubble bath. Relieve and Recover. It's an absolute whopper of a bubble bath. Their bubbles are amazing, by the way. This also is somebody else's that they've ordered, and this is the Restoring Moisture with Coconut Oil Body Wash. 400 mils in that one. The bubble bath, let me double check the price of that. I know they're so reasonable. Coconut body wash, there was £2, and the Relieve and Recover bubble bath for the litre, literally £2.50. I mean, what a bargain, and it's amazing. This is for somebody else. I've also got this one. I've had it a little while. It's a 16-hour lip colour. It's the Power Stay, and this is in the shade Relentless Rose. This is lovely, and it stays on and on and on until you literally take it off. I have this. I will show that to you on one day. And this same customer that bought that has got this, and it's the 7-in-1 nail treatment. So I thought I'd just share that with you. But yeah, if you're interested in any of the bubble bath, honestly, head over to my little online Avon site. It is linked in the description box. Just take a look. Their bubbles are amazing. And I thought these £4 for these were really, really good. So as I say, they're going to make up a gift. I have got a bath running. I'll show you what the bubbles look like. Oh, just take a look at that bath. Literally full of bubbles. And the one that I'm using here tonight is actually this one here. The oat milk and cornflower one. Just look at those bubbles, they're amazing. Anyway, off to get in the bath. So today, as you can see, I actually groomed Teddy. My goodness, he has such a thick coat. Now, he doesn't like it. I don't blame him. It's quite difficult to do it, but I sort of chopped away quite a bit, and he's looking a lot better. So he's enjoying a little treat now for being such a good boy. And I've also managed to do some of his nails as well. My makeup brushes have desperately been in need of a good clean. So what I did last night is I soaked them in this container in just like shampoo and water, left them overnight. And so of course today's the day I needed to wash them all out. So I've given them all a really good rinse in the sink, and then I'm going to wrap them up into a towel, a bit like you would your own hair, to try and absorb as much water as I can before sort of spreading them out to dry. But here you can see that I'm sort of rinsing out all the brushes, and getting the towel ready. And in fact, what I did is I just laid the towel on top of the toilet seat, and then as I finished rinsing them, I just laid them on the towel. And yeah, you'll see in a minute, as I say, the way I just sort of like almost made like a little turban for my makeup brushes. Isn't it surprising how quickly and how dirty they get? I mean, when you look at your makeup brushes, you don't for 1 minute think that they are as dirty as they are. I don't know why we would think that. Just look how disgusting that is. All the makeup and bronzer, blushes, everything. Foundation, well, not so much foundation because I tend to use my fingers more for that, but you know, the powders and everything. And oh dear, you look at it and think, really, it's almost like you should do your brushes every day, because you're just putting dirty brushes on your face all the time. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, here they are, just laid out on top of the toilet seat in the towel, and then here we go, all wrapped up in their little turban to dry as much as I can in the towel before I lay them out. So it's been quite productive today, to be honest. I decided to come upstairs and do a little bit of decluttering in the drawers. So the drawer you're looking at here, this is where I keep sort of my t-shirts. I wear a couple of jumpers in there actually. I'd totally forgotten about. But mainly t-shirts and swimwear on the left hand side, where you can see that colourful sort of pinky orangey. They are all sort of like swimsuits and all that type of thing. So yeah, I've pulled everything out, and as you can see, I'm obviously all the swimwear I want to keep anyway, so I'm just neatening that up a little bit. And then the t-shirts, vest tops, long sleeve t-shirts, short sleeve t-shirts. I've put all those onto the bed, and I'm going to sort through all of those. And then as I sort through them, I will pop them all back in. Now the two there that you've just seen me put down, they are sort of like beach cover-ups, but I can also just use them in the summer over a little vest top. Obviously, I wasn't satisfied having the swimwear that side of the drawer, so here I go, moving it all back to where it was originally. And I've just put one of the, what do you call them, like the wraparounds, you know, that you use over your swimming costume. Gosh, that's gone, the word. Anyway, I've just covered it all up so that I know underneath that is literally all swimwear, and I don't need to go rummaging through that anymore. And now I'm just starting to pop back t-shirts. So these are like long sleeve t-shirts, short sleeve t-shirts that are all kind of going at the back. I faff around for a little bit and sort of get them into some sort of a colour order. And then you will see I will fold up camisoles, little vest tops, and move those. They will be sort of more at the front of the drawer, so that I know everything with sort of like sleeves, a little bit warmer, is going to be at the back. And then, you know, more the things I could layer with or wear in the summer, you know, the little vest tops, etc. They are going to be at the front. So you're going to see me organising that now. If you are interested, this clothes unit here, these chests of drawers, this was from IKEA. I mean, it was some years ago. I mean, I'm talking in, oh, blimey. I think they still do it. I'm sure they still sell it. But we bought this probably 12, 13 years ago, something like that, and it's still going strong. Really is a great little piece of furniture. The drawers that I haven't done are Chris's drawers, so yeah, he can do his own. I regularly do his, but everything that he's got in his drawers, you know, is really nice at the moment, and I really don't want to go through it and declutter it, because I don't know what he doesn't want to keep. So if he comes up and has a look through his drawers, and then he can decide what he wants to, what he does and what he doesn't want to keep. Right, now I'm on to sort of like the leggings and jeans drawer. So I'm going through it, pulling everything out, popping it onto the bed, checking to see if they still fit, if the condition's still okay. Anything that's gone bobbly or a little bit thin is going. Anything that I don't particularly want to wear anymore can be given to the charity shop. So I'm just basically looking through everything here. You've noticed there's some belts. The silver belt that you saw just now was one that I had many, many, many years ago in my probably early 20s, so that's certainly vintage now. It probably wouldn't even go around my thigh, but, you know, I'm hanging on to it. So I'm just starting to put things back. Kind of in the order of the things that I'm least likely to be wearing at the moment. And everything that I will wear right now is going to be placed at the front and on the top. So I carried on and I did my bra drawer that I'm showing you here. I got rid of so many bras, so many that I just don't find comfortable anymore. Oh, I'll keep some paracetamol in this drawer, and also some tissues, because you never know when you're going to get, you know, a runny nose in the night. So yeah, that's the bra drawer all sorted. Now this is like the knicker drawer. So in here, look, I don't just own black knickers, honestly. they are all on the top, but it's knickers and cycle shorts. Now this one was a tough one. I've actually got rid of quite a lot of nightwear. I did have to tug and push and pull this drawer. You know, it is rather full, but I am keeping everything in it and it is quite manageable. Now on to show you. This is what the t-shirt drawer looks like now. Yay, it's all tidy. And organised, that's the most important thing, is I know where everything is now. So that's all the swimming stuff. Now we're going on to look at the leggings and the jeans. That's just got socks in it, that little bag. So yeah, that's all of that done and tidy. Very, very productive. I'm very pleased with how I did everything today. Go me, right? And this is the box of things ready to go to the charity shop. Finally, here the makeup brushes are, basking in just the central heating to dry, just spread out, ready to dry. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. See you in the next video. Bye.